No sale, no website, no followers. The easiest way to make money online in 2024. Welcome to today's video, where we're about to unravel a seriously cool and lazy money making trick for all you beginners out there looking to rake in some cash online in 2024. So, what's the deal? No selling, no need for a fancy website, and forget about building an army of followers on social media. We're diving into the world of making money without breaking a sweat. We're talking about using a link shortener and sharing some seriously click-worthy articles. It's like the ultimate shortcut to cash without the usual online hustle. Now, let's break it down step by step. This lazy money-making trick is all about link sharing and content that practically begs to be clicked on. And guess what? You don't have to be a sales guru or have a massive online presence to make it work. We're going to spill the beans on how to make this happen. Think Imager, think Gab, and maybe even a bit of list-first action. Consistency is key, and with a little effort, you can watch the dollars roll in without the usual headaches. So buckle up, High Access crew. We're about to make money the lazy way, and it's going to be epic. Alright, High Access Squad, let's kick off our journey to effortless online cash with step 1, diving into the world of ShrinkMe. Imagine making money with just a few clicks. No hustle, no fuss. You head over to shrink.me, our golden ticket to lazy riches. Sign up. Easy as pie. You're in, and voila! Welcome to your personal dashboard. This isn't just any dashboard, it's your gateway to tracking the cash flow. Watch those earnings rise as you work your magic. Now, let's stir things up a bit. Shuffle the details. Because who said making money can't be fun? ShrinkMe is like the DJ of your online moolah party. Sign up, hit the dashboard, and let the cash vibes roll. Think about it. Casually making money while others are stuck in the hustle loop. This isn't just about earning, it's about turning every click into coins effortlessly. It's the financial guide for the laid-back entrepreneur in you. ShrinkMe is your backstage pass to the online cash concert, and trust me, you want front row seats. So buckle up, High Access crew. We're just getting started on this lazy money-making adventure, and it's about to get seriously exciting. Stay tuned for the next steps, and let's turn those online dreams into reality. Choosing money-making articles in 2024. Ready to dive into step 2 of our lazy money-making escapade? It's all about finding those golden articles on Listverse that practically scream, "Click me!" You're on Listverse, the treasure trove of intriguing list articles. It's like a virtual gold mine, and your job is to pick out the gems. Shuffle through those clickbaity titles like a pro, aiming for articles that captivate a broad audience. Think curiosity-driven headlines that practically beg for a click. Now, let's mix it up a bit. Shuffle the details, because making money should be as exciting as a surprise party. Listverse is your secret stash of attention-grabbing content. These articles are your golden tickets to the ClickFest, and the more clicks, the more cash in your pocket. Casually think about it. You're not just sharing any content, you're curating a click-worthy experience for your audience. This isn't just a financial guide. It's your roadmap to making money effortlessly. Listverse is where you pick the stars of your online money-making show, turning Listverse into gold. We're rolling into step 3 of our money-making masterpiece. The art of shortening those juicy article links with ShrinkMe. Imagine this. You've found the Listverse gem, an article that's practically a gold mine waiting to be shared. Now, let's work some magic. Copy that URL like a pro and paste it into the ShrinkMe dashboard. It's like crafting your own unique spell, but instead of wizards, we're making money moves. Now, let's shake things up a bit. Shuffle the details, because why shouldn't making money be a bit like a dance party? ShrinkMe is your backstage pass to link wizardry. Paste, click shorten, and boom! You've got a unique shortened link that's your ticket to tracking those hard-earned dollars. Think about it casually. You're not just shortening links. You're creating a trail of treasure on the internet. This isn't just a financial guide, it's your guide to being an online link maestro. ShrinkMe is where your links become the keys to your own online vault. Hold up, High Access crew. Before you click away, we're hitting pause for a quick chat. We want to hear from you. What's bubbling in your mind after this wild ride through the online money-making universe? Have you got your own secret sauce for success? Or maybe you've got questions itching to be answered. Don't be shy. Drop your thoughts, ideas, and experiences in the comments below. Let's turn this space into a thriving community of savvy online entrepreneurs. Your insights might just be the golden nugget someone else is looking for. And of course, don't forget to hit that share button. Spread the high access vibes. Let your pals in on the action. And let's turn this into a movement. Sharing is caring, after all. Alright, enough from me. I want to see that comment section buzzing. Go on, High Access crew. Let's hear what you've got to say. In trouble? Use Canva. Buckle up, High Access squad. Step 4 is where we turn clicks into cash with visual alchemy. So here's the deal. You've got the list verse gem. You've got the shortened link from ShrinkMe. Now, let's weave some visual magic. Head over to Canva, the artist's haven, where we'll turn your promotion into an attention-grabbing masterpiece. Let's jazz things up a bit. Shuffle the details. Because why shouldn't making money online be a bit like creating art? Canva is your canvas, and you're the artist. Upload an image from that chosen list verse article. Add a catchy headline that practically winks at the viewer, and craft a design that's impossible to scroll past. Think about it casually. You're not just promoting. You're curating an online gallery of attention-grabbing visuals. This isn't just a financial guide. It's your guide to becoming a visual maestro. Canva is where your promotions transform into a feast for the eyes. And now you've got your Canva masterpiece ready. The shortened link from ShrinkMe is set, and now we're off to Imager, the bustling harbor of online visuals. Sign up, it's a breeze. Craft a post with that attention-grabbing image and sprinkle in a title and description that practically beg users to click for that full scoop. Let's shake things up a bit. Shuffle the details, because making money online should be a bit like setting sail on an adventure. Imager is your port of opportunity, and your post is the ship. Paste that unique ShrinkMe link, and you've just set sail into the seas of potential clicks. Imagine it casually. You're not just posting. You're orchestrating a visual symphony that beckons the internet's attention. This isn't just a financial guide. It's your manual for navigating the online seas. Imager is where your visuals become the lighthouse, guiding clicks straight to your treasure trove. Conquering the internet with Gab. Let's harness the social magic of Gab. Imagine it, a platform like Facebook and Instagram, but with a twist. Join the community. It's where the cool cats roam. Let's jazz things up a bit, shuffle the details, because making money online should be a bit like throwing a social media party. Gab is your playground, and your post is the VIP invitation. Upload that attention-grabbing visual, whip up a title and description that sparks curiosity. Don't forget to jump in the ShrinkMe link, your golden ticket to tracking those clicks. Picture it casually. You're not just posting, you're setting sail on the social seas, inviting new clicks into your world. This isn't just a financial guide, it's your manual for becoming a social media captain. Gab is where your visuals become the conversation starters, bringing in those clicks and connecting you with a whole new crew. Buckle up, high excess squad. Step 6 is where Gab becomes your partner in crime for navigating the social media waves. Stay tuned because we're about to make a splash in the online realm, effortlessly expanding your reach and bringing those clicks and cash your way. Consistency is the key. Hey, high access trailblazers. We're entering the golden realm of step 7 in our online money making saga. And this one's all about the power of consistency. Get ready to sow the seeds of success with regular posting on Imager and Gab. You've conquered ShrinkMe, crafted visual masterpieces on Canva, sailed the seas of Imager, and surfed the social waves on Gab. Now, let's make it rain clicks with the magic ingredient, consistency. Let's stir things up a bit, shuffle the details, because making money online should be a bit like tending to a virtual garden. Imager and Gab are your fertile grounds, and each post is a seed. Rinse and repeat the process with different articles and visuals. It's like planting new crops, each one ready to bloom into clicks and cash. Picture it. You're not just posting, you're orchestrating a click harvest. This isn't just a financial guide, it's your handbook for becoming an online farmer. Imager and Gab are your fields, and your consistent posts are the watering cans, ensuring a bountiful harvest of clicks and earnings. Shuffle the details because making money online should be a bit like unlocking hidden treasure. Listverse is your mystical portal, and your words are the keys. Write those captivating pieces, submit them, and watch the dollars roll in while steering traffic back to your ShrinkMe links. Casually think about it, you're not just writing, you're cultivating another income stream. This isn't just a financial guide, it's your roadmap to becoming an online wordsmith. Listverse is where your words become the currency, enriching both your mind and your pocket. Buckle up, high excess squad. The bonus tip is your chance to plant seeds of income with Listverse pens. Stay tuned because we're about to turn your words into dollars, creating an additional income stream while driving traffic to your ShrinkMe links. And there you have it, high access trailblazers. We've unraveled the secrets, danced through the steps, and crafted a lazy yet potent formula for making money online in 2024. From ShrinkMe link magic to visual alchemy on Canva, we sailed the seas of Imager, rode the social waves on Gab, and even planted seeds of income with Listverse pens. Your online journey has just begun, and the possibilities are as limitless as the digital horizon. Remember, consistency is your secret sauce, and every post is a step closer to turning clicks into cash effortlessly. So go ahead, embrace the lazy entrepreneur within you, and let's make high access the epicenter of your online success story. If you found this guide valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more high access adventures, and ring that notification bell to stay in the loop. Share your thoughts in the comments. We want to hear your success stories and tips. As we sign off for now, keep dreaming big, stay high on ambition, and until next time, this is High Access, your ticket to the online odyssey, signing out. Happy money making, legends!